guys, I'm Ps4 back with another video, and today it's sort of an unboxing of the PS4 with Uncharted 4. I am super excited. Woo! Welcome to New Gen, people. So this is an unboxing. Yes, you can tell. Haha. I do know how to use a knife. Haha. And now this is going to be the hard part, of course. This is the part that's going to be the pain.
Easy. Easy.
There it is. It's coming out. Nice and nice.
Don't cut that.
Don't cut that.
Steven, don't cut that. Now you gotta pull.
No, that ain't no good. There's a tab. There's a tab.
Pull
Pull it out.
Pull it out.
Pull it out now. In the middle.
There you go. Now pull
Now
out the
pull
other
it the other
thing.
one.
Ta-da.
This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Brother, two controllers.
Now A controller.
There you can.
A controller. Bunch of cords. Even more cords.
That's gonna have fun.
More boxes, apparently. How many boxes are inside one box?
Hey, why don't you lay it down so...
Oh, there we go.
Hey, lay it down, because you're way up here. I'm going to take it.
Now, and then there's the
Easy.
console. Oh. Which has wrapping all over. So, we're going to take this off. And there it is. The new console.
Alright, put it down.
And that was it for today, guys. I'll see you next time. Ps4 over and out.